Hi guys, how are you? Happy holidays. How is practicing going? I hope it's going well. Anyway, today we have very famous holiday song, Holy Night. Out of all of them, I think this one really fits the violin well because of its long melodic lines and beautiful melodies, of course. Alright, so without further ado, let's go to the sheet music right there. Okay, so let's get going, starting at D2, which is F sharp. Make sure bow is nice and loose and straight, right in the middle between here and here. Okay, sweet spot. Okay. Now the second line. You might be asking, why did I put 4 instead of 0 there on the second measure, on the second line? Because you don't want to string cross too much. If you can stay in one string within one melodic passage, that would be ideal. Okay? So this is better compared to. Did you hear the tonality change there? Very brassy, right? So if it's on the same passage of the phrase, try to keep it in one string. Okay? Last measure of the first line, second line, I'm sorry. Now here comes high 3. Make sure you fade out at the end of each phrase. So it's not this. It's not that. You don't stop the bow to stop the sound. You kind of like gradually slow down. Okay. I like to call this hairpin. Hairpin. Yeah. Anyway, moving on. One more there. I want to tell you something there. At the last measure of the 1, 2, 3, 4th line, we have 1, 0, 3, 2. 3, 2 here is kind of nicely stacked together between 2 string. When I play the 3, I should get the 2 ready. So I should put it down or kind of rub against my 3rd finger. That's how I ensure the 2 will be in tune, okay? And then here, we're gonna bridge. When I put A1 down, we're also gonna put D1 down, yeah? Okay, why? Because good fingering is minimum fingering. So, minimum movement, I'm sorry. So, if I do, I have to lift that off and then put it down again. That's more work. Who wants to do more work? We have to play smart, not hard. Yeah? So we want to bridge that. Okay? Make sure they're close now. Okay, now here's a long, glorious note coming up. So let's go to the frog. And then rub the 2 against the 3. Hairpin fade, and then get ready for the 4. Yeah. Actually, when you have the 4th finger, a lot of students do this. They have 1, 2, 3, 4. They go like, don't do that. Just do the 4. Okay. 2, 3. Get ready for the 1. And then, while I play the 3, I will get ready for the E1. fade. It's 3/4 now, okay? Then get to the frog here for that glorious note. Then two next to the 3, 4, and then you can repeat the last line, and then go to the frog, and then ritardando, and then ideally you want to end up down bow at the last note, but if you did end up on an up bow there, how you're gonna fade is similar. You just make sure that you lift and curl as you end the note. Like that. Less hair, you curl like this. You slow the bow, less hair, and then that's it. Got it? So that's how you play it. Alright, I hope you guys enjoy that. As always, thank you for watching. If you like that, please like and subscribe. Until next time.